Manipal Digital, envisioned as an extension of the group's printing business, is in the business of processing and distributing content across the channels: print, mobile, web, video, and technology. Manipal Digital offers end-to-end services across the publishing and retail value chain, from content, layout and design, conversion, distribution, and analytics. Manipal Digital has grown 10 times over the last 6 years to be India's leading offshore media solutions provider through its quality focus, customer centricity, and innovation.
Manipal Digital ambitions to be the world's premier offshore media solutions provider, offering end-to-end services as a one-stop shop to global retail and publishing clients. Given the fast-changing technological landscape in the media and publishing industry, we aim to build an agile learning organization that fosters leadership and innovation and motivates our employees to come up with innovative ideas and game-changing solutions. The prime intent of the innovation is to add value to our customers by addressing their needs, providing them new insights, and constantly refining our processes and adding efficiency.
On the print front, we work across digital imaging and pre-press publishing services that include typesetting and composition of books, magazines and journals, ad designs, flyers and brochures, and illustration and artwork. We are one of the very few service providers who can offer end-to-end digital imaging services, from silo and masking to high-end retouching. We work with the largest printers and aggregators worldwide and are known in the market for the best quality and turnaround. On the mobile and web services front, we provide multi-format, multi-platform ebook production. We have the competencies to handle ebook creations and conversion, enhanced ebook creations, and we also create books as apps across platforms like Android, iOS, and Windows. Our dedicated gaming and mobile app division creates UI, UX designs and even specializes in app development. In the world of the World Wide Web, we are fully equipped to tackle all challenges and deliver all formats. Whether you need rich internet applications or your website developed, commerce-enabled catalogs, Flash and SWF banners, or even HTML, CSS development services for web and e-newsletters. We dedicate a whole lot of resource and talent to give you the best possible version of your material online. We understand that the most important thing for a consumer is ease to use, and so we put in an arduous amount of effort in the pre-planning stage to give you the most efficient solution to your e-published material. Manipal Digital has a range of competencies in the 2D and 3D video rendering to serve a multitude of clients across the industries like publishing, retail, and automobile. We house some of the best animators who can create wireframe models, texture, light, animate, and render to create just what you need. On the video rendering front, we are well equipped to handle the end-to-end requirements, right from conceptualization, storyboarding, character and background designing, and animation. Across the services, we ensure that your content is processed and distributed in the best possible way, with multiple quality assurance checks, proofreadings, validations, and audits at every step. You can be sure that when your content appears on any channel or platform, it conforms to the high standards of quality set by your company and makes the experience an easy-to-use one for the end client. Manipal Digital houses focused and talented individuals who believe in expertise and are oriented towards quality focus and customer centricity. It is due to these core values that we have 80% of business coming in from repeat customers, and it is because of this that our resolve only strengthens further. We believe in giving our employees the right training, the right set of values, and the right work environment which help them groom themselves individually and open up to the opportunities available in the market to add value to the client and lead to a wholesome growth.
At Manipal Group, our vision is to lead in everything that we do. Our vision is realized through our deeply embedded core values of honesty and integrity, by innovating and creating lasting impressions for the development of society. I truly believe that the strong foundation that we have has enabled us to go 100 times in the past decade. Manipal Digital is one of our key growth engines for the future. With the rapid change in the way people are consuming content today, Manipal Digital's goal is to partner with its global clients and help them win in this extremely competitive marketplace by generating new revenue for them as well as significantly reducing their cost.